guys, this is the expert final moto. Here we go. 30 seconds boarding's up. And 15 seconds. And here we go. Full shot by. Full shot lang boy. Kailangan mo. In a good start naman ka. Oh! Boards, BJ. Single lane lang guys yung racer na ito. Kailangan good start. Another bad start for Buboy. So here we go. On first, The Lion from Yamaha Philippines. BJ Pipito. Buboy on fifth. So here we go, we have a race. Bornok, BJ, Buboy, sumusubok pumasok. Buboy mo si BJ yung minsan si Bornok. So Buboy pumapasok. So change position. Bornok, BJ, Buboy. So Buboy na 1/4. Kailangan madali ni Buboy to. Double time para hindi makawala yung 1 and 2. So here we go. Bornok Mangosong, BJ Pipito, Buboy on 4th. So tingnan nyo yan guys, inside lane, single lane. So kailangan dito in a good start. So Buboy na 1/4. Bornok on first, BJ yung second. On 4th, Buboy. So Bornok Mangosong, BJ Pipito, Buboy na 1/3. So okay. So tingnan natin guys. Bornok Mangosong, BJ Pipito, Buboy Antonio. Ito lang guys yung part na mayroong passing lane. Yung berm na yan pwede kong inside. So Bornok, Buboy. So we have a battle for first. Bornok Mangosong in BJ Pipito. On third, Buboy. Bornok, BJ, Buboy on third. Go, 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 go! So tingnan natin guys kung kakayanin pa kayang abutin ni Buboy yung first and second. So lumalapit si Buboy. So we have battle for first, BJ, Bornok, BJ, Buboy, lumalapit si Buboy. So 10 laps lang ito guys. Tsaka yung race na kanya sa mga pros 52 seconds yung pinakamabilis, which is yun yung oras ni Bornok at ni Buboy. So kailangan ito madaliin. Yun, tingnan nyo guys, walang passing lane. Bornok, BJ, Buboy, lumalapit si Buboy. Go, 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 go! Bornok, BJ, Buboy. Walang passing, tingnan nyo guys. Yan, mga linya yan. Bornok Mangosong, BJ Pipito, Buboy Antonio. We have a three-way battle for first. So lumalapit na si Buboy. Tingnan natin guys, pagbaba rito. So up, change position. Up, wala pa rin. Sayang, gandang galaw sana yun. So we have a battle for second, BJ Pipito and Buboy Antonio. So still kuminsay si Bornok, kuminsay si Bio, kuminsay si Buboy. Go, go, push, push! So, meron pa tayong 5 minutes para humabol. Bornok Mangosong, BJ Pipito, Bubu Antonio. Ay, yung lahat ng yung berm na yung guys. So, umoverjump si Buboy guys. Pipili to. So, still Bornok on first. Ayan guys, we have a battle for second. BJ Pipito, Bubu Antonio. Change position. Buboy second, go! Alright, ito na guys. Ang labanan ng Team Honda at Team Yamaha. So, the Pretty Boy versus ang hari ng Philippine Motocross guys, Bornok Mangosong. So, ito yung ina-expect natin, yung labanan ng dalawa. Good job! Push, 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 push! So, here we go, we have a battle. Yun nga guys, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, single lane lang talaga siya. Napakahirap lumusot. Bornok, Buboy, so expected natin ang laban na to. Here we go, we have a battle for first. Bornok Mangosong and Buboy Antonio. So magbe-break away itong dalawang to. So tingnan natin. The Lion, the Pretty Boy. There we go guys. The Lion, ang hari ng Philippine Motocross, against the young guns, the future of Philippine Motocross, Bubu Antonio from Honda Philippines. So here we go. 3 minutes left. Meron pa 3 minuto si Buboy para subukan pasukin yung first na si The Lion, ang hari. So here we go. Dumidikit sa ni Buboy guys. We have a battle for first. Bornok Mangosong, Buboy Antonio. So, here we go, tingnan natin. 2 minutes left. Uminsay si Bornok, uminsay si Buboy. So, here we go. Double time, double time, double time, double time. So still, tingnan natin. Bornok, Buboy. Here we go. Bornok Mangosong, Buboy Antonio. So tingnan natin guys, ayan na. We have a battle for first. So still, I think last 2 laps. Sayang guys, 10 laps lang. Maliit lang yung racetrack, pero 10 laps lang. There we go. Bornok on first, followed by Buboy. Go! Double time! Double time! Last lap for Bornok, last lap for Buboy. So here we go. Tingnan natin guys. Bornok, Buboy. So, tingnan natin ito guys, last lap. Sayang, kung napaganda sana yung start natin, may chance tayo. But okay lang, the part of a race. Still, none other than ang walang kakupas-kupas, ang The Lion, ang hari ng Philippine Motocross guys, Bornok Mangosong. And second, the future, Buboy Antonio. So here's come the champion from Yamaha Philippines, The Lion, Bornok Mangosong, and the second from Buboy Antonio ang second. Umiiling. Pad start tayo. See you on the next leg. Okay?